Are we ready for that? We're all in this together. Wow. There's a towel over here. Would you look at that? Yeah. Literally, I feel like I'm like just like I don't know what's going on. But I'm still rocking it. I'm gonna change my clothes. Edward, here comes a brand new and upgraded jacket. Woo! Right on stage. Now they're showing how to try their jacket. See what's going on. I'm gonna go at the back for a second to have a smile. Hold on, actually, I'll take 2 seconds. John, how you get on backstage? Okay, I'm okay. I'm good. Are you guys feeling it? Seriously, guys, trust me. Like, you've never seen this area. Backstage area it's being renovated right now. It's been renovated. It truly is. Trust me. Trust me. Anyway, that'll be another story in our book. When we bring out an amazing book, telling our little tiny stories, you'd laugh your head off. You'd be like, ha 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 ha. John told me this like 10 years ago when he was like 18 or something like that, and I'm like, what? And then you were like, that was such a funny story. But anyway, don't worry, that'll be way in the distance when I'm like older. I might even go a bit of stubble or something like that. Here's my jacket. Here's the hero again. Oh, thank you so much, hero. Superhero. We don't need no Superman or Batman. Are you ready to go, John? Did you have a good time backstage? Okay, let's do this.